Good day, ma'am. We are the group 10 presenters, and I am Michael John Salaspi, and we will tackle about what is Blue Ocean Strategy. Blue Ocean Strategy is a set of analytical tools and framework that will help you understand where you are today, how to create new demand by looking toward non-customers, and how to turn constraint into opportunities, and or simply look at the problem from a new angle. Blue ocean strategy is furthermore, blue ocean strategy is competition is relevant because the rules of the game are waiting to be set. It's all about creating and capturing the new demand and about breaking the value in the market. So, in simple terms, in blue ocean strategy is uh, don't try to beat the competition in the crowded city. Instead, create a new city where you are the only players. So, in my opinion, blue ocean strategy is all about uh, uh, it's in my opinion, blue ocean strategy is not focused on the competition. Instead, they are focusing on reinventing new market or reinventing new innovation, which can lead their business become profitable and become productive. Next slide would be about the authors. They are the number one management thinkers in the world. It is Chan Kim and Rini Moberni. Chan Kim and Rini Moberni are the creators of Blue Ocean. They are professor of strategy at NSED, INSEAD, one of the world's top business schools, and co-directors of the NSED Blue Ocean Strategy Institute. In 2019, they were ranked as the number one management thinkers in the world. The next slide would be the difference of red ocean strategy and blue ocean strategy. Red ocean strategy is uh, compete in existing market space, while the blue ocean strategy is create uncontested market space. Red ocean strategy bet the competition, while the blue ocean strategy is make the competition as irrelevant. The third one is exploit existing demand, while the blue ocean strategy is create and capture new demand. And the fourth one is make the value cost trade-off, while the blue ocean strategy is break the value cost trade-off. And the last one would be in the red ocean strategy, the last one is align strategy choice of differentiation or low cost, while the blue ocean strategy is simultaneous pursuit the strategy of differentiation and low cost. So here are the other one about how the red ocean strategy, blue ocean strategy deals with buyers, suppliers, clients, and competition. So let's look for the barriers. First is the red ocean strategy. Look for opportunities to raise barriers, fight all new players or acquire them. While the blue ocean strategy is don't worry about the barriers at all. If you can, raise them if it benefits you. The second one is engage the best suppliers, reliable and well established. Their strategy in their business is they need to engage the suppliers. They are selecting the best suppliers in order to have a reliable and well established market. While the blue ocean strategy is engage flexible suppliers who can quickly adapt to frequent change. So adapt to frequent change. So makita nato nga nga strategy is dapat ang silang business makataba ang supplier sila and maintain ang loyalty sila. Maintain ang ilang business loyalty. So another one is clients. Clients, they can detect at a moment notice, while the blue ocean strategy is develop comfortable relationship. So in a clients in blue ocean strategy, develop comfortable relationship. So this point, their strategy is to have to maintain the relationship towards the clients in order to have a business loyalty and become more productive and innovative market in the business industry. And the competition is try to better or different. Track your competition closely. The competition grow fast, and the blue ocean strategy is grow fast so you can leave the competition in the dust, be the big fish. In blue ocean strategy example, there are some cases that they use blue ocean strategy that they use. There are some cases, there are some sample cases that they use the blue ocean strategy, which is Cirque du Soleil. The circus industry is no longer as popular as it once. The traditional circus catered to kids, but nowadays there are literally tons of entertainment options that kids can choose from, video games or anyone. However, Circo de Soleil invented the circus and gave it a new and exciting format. Now both kids and adults can enjoy the circus and experience the first class entertainment. And that's all. The next presenter would be Miss Jamaica Tabunda.
Good day. I am Jamaica Tabunda, the reporter 2. Implementing the Blue Ocean Strategy. To implement this strategy, you will need to follow the 4 actions framework. So you can define a new value curve for your business. The framework requires you to answer these key questions. First is raise, eliminate, reduce, and create. For raise, which factors should be raised well above the industry's standard? For eliminate, we have which factors that the industry has long competed on should be eliminated. For reduce, we have which factors should be reduced well below the industry's standard. For create, we have which factors should be created that the industry has never offered. When these 4 questions are answered, you will be able to come up with a new value curve to unlock your industry's very own blue ocean. 4 actions framework. A circus company. We have eliminate, reduce, creates, and raise. Eliminates includes start performers, animal shows, IAS association sales, multiple show arenas. In reduce, the following are fun and humor, thrill and danger. In create, we have theme, refined environment, multiple productions, artistic music and dance. Lastly is race. We have unique venue. Blue Ocean Strategy Principles. According to the authors, we have 8 core principles. First is it's grounded in data. Blue Ocean Strategy is based on a decade-long study of more than 150 strategic moves, spanning more than 30 industries over 100 years. Second is the strategy pursuit different and low cost. Blue Ocean Strategy is based on the simulation pursuit and differentiation and low cost. It is an end-to-end, not either-to-or strategy. Third is it creates uncontented market space. Blue Ocean strategy doesn't aim to outperform the competition. It aims to make the competition irrelevant by reconstructing individual industry. Next is it empowers you through tools and framework. Blue Ocean strategy offers systematic tools and frameworks to shift from red ocean of competition to blue oceans of new market space. Next is it provides step-by-step process from assessing the current state of play in the industry to exploring the 6 paths to new market space to understand how to convert non-consumer to customers. Blue Ocean strategy and shift provides a systematic process to create your blue ocean. Next is it maximizes opportunity while minimizing risk. Blue Ocean strategy allows you to test the commercial viability of your ideas and shows you how to define your ideas to minimize your upside risk. Next is it builds execution into strategy. The process and tools of inclusive, easy to understand and visual, which makes the process non-intimidating and an effective path of building execution into strategy. Lastly, Blue Ocean strategy shows you how to create a win-and-win outcomes. As an internal approach, Blue Ocean strategy shows how to make the align of the 3 strategy: proposition value, profit, and people to create a win-and-win outcome. Blue Ocean shift confidence to own and drive the process. 6 principles of Blue Ocean strategy. It has 2 categories: the formulation principles and execution principles. In formulation principles, it has the reconstruct the market boundaries, focus on the big pictures, not the numbers, reach beyond existing demand, get the strategic sequence right. And in execution principles, we have overcome key organizational hurdles, build execution into strategy. Formulating Blue Ocean strategy. First is reconstruct market boundaries. Head-to-head strategy versus Blue Ocean strategy. In head-to-head strategy, it focuses on rivals within industry, focuses on competitive position within the strategic group, focuses on better service the buyer group. And in Blue Ocean strategy, it looks across alternative industry, looks across strategic groups within industry, redefines the industry buyer group.
I, Mariel Acop, will be discussing my part to our report, which is entitled The Blue Ocean Strategy. So now, I will discuss to you the focus on the big picture, not the numbers. So here, we have 4 steps of visualizing strategy. First, the visual awakening. So from the word awakening, it is where you compare your business with your competitors by drawing your as-is strategy canvas. So, the visual awakening, you have to create your own as-is strategy and then see where your strategy needs to change. After making your visual canvas, your canvas is there, you can see that the strategy must need to be changed. And then now let's focus on the visual exploration. The visual exploration is going to feel to explore. Visual exploration. Visual exploration, you must need to explore the 6 paths to creating the blue oceans. You have to observe the distinctive advantages of alternative products and services, and then see which factors you should eliminate, create, or change. Yes, you have to observe the distinctive advantages of an alternative products you choose or services, and then after observing those products or services, you can decide which one you should eliminate, or you can create another. Or in addition, let's go back to visual awakening. I said earlier that visual awakening is to compare your business with your competitors by drawing your assets or strategy canvas. And then after that, see where your strategy needs to be changed. I will just elaborate the visual awakening further with further explanation. Here in visual awakening, let's just say for example, me, I draw my own strategy canvas, which is my insight canvas, my base and my observation. And then after I draw my business strategy canvas, you have to look for where you can change, or where you can decide, where you can decide the best, where you can get the best alternative way to be productive. And yeah, after seeing where your strategy needed to be changed, the strategy canvas you made as your as-is or imagination that is built from your insights and observations. Visual strategy fair. Draw your to-be strategy canvas based on insights from field and observations. And then after drawing your strategy canvas that is based on the insights of the field, based on your observations, you have to get the feedback. An alternative different strategy canvas from customers, competitors, and non-competitors. Non-customers. Here, after observing the field, you can see the difference. And you can get the feedback. Use the feedback to build the best to be future strategy. Yes, after getting the feedback based on your observation, you use that feedback to build the best. You use that feedback to your future strategy, which is the one you're looking for, the business or the blue ocean strategy, the strategy that make your business effective. Communication. Distribute your before and after strategic profiles on one page for easy comparison, and then support only these projects and operational moves that allow your company to close the gap to actualize the new strategy. Here in visual communication, you have to distribute your before and after strategic profiles. Let's just say you have a business before that's look like old, and then it's never been evolved like right now. That right after that your business evolved, you have to you can compare, or you can generalize the easy comparison of before and after of your strategy profile, or the strategy canvas of your business. And then after that, you have to support only these projects and operational moves that allow your company to close the gap. Here, you have the strategy canvas, or strategic profile. You have to support that profile or project so that the operational moves can be done. Let's just say can be done in the correct way or profitable. It's allow your company to close the gap to actualize a new strategy. And then by having a new strategy, you can achieve the new or latest you can achieve the blue ocean strategy, which is expand your business profile.